Hi. So this is my first ever cooking video, and I'm going to be making a dish called Chevda. It's something that we Indians serve with tea, but Sunny and I usually eat it with as a snack for beer and wine or whatever. So enjoy. Bye. Hi everybody, it's Kamal. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a snack called Chevda. So what I have here is on heat is canola oil, and then these will be my two simple ingredients. It's not sure what you call these, but and I spilled it. So this is what they are, and then the peanuts, of course. And once the oil is hot enough, I'm going to start frying them. Okay, so it's the oil is warm enough, and what I'm going to do is put a little bit of these in here, just a little bit, and dip it into the canola oil. You see how they puff up? And that's all you need to do. Dry off as much as you can, and then transfer. So this is all you're going to do. Okay, so this is all done, and the next step is to get the peanuts, and these same basic steps. Put a little bit in. Now these are a little bit temperamental, so I'm going to get one of my sons to make the rest of this video, because we need to be a little bit further away from the oil. Sometimes it's okay, sometimes it's not, but it's best to be careful. Last one. Okay. So just keep it on that and move a little bit further away. This might splash. Oh no, splash! So basically all you're doing is just frying the peanuts until they're a little bit crispy. A little bit darker, kind of like a golden color, and you're transferring everything over there. Okay, so this is the finished product. It's just those rice pops that I fried and peanuts that I fried, and that's about it. Now, once you have that done, what you can do is add about a quarter or 3/4 of tablespoon of salt, and then I have here is turmeric powder. So you want to get a good amount in there. That's like a little bit over 1 tablespoon. You can also use a little bit of black pepper, and that's about it. So after this, you can use something to start mixing, because you're going to mix it all together. You can use a utensil, or you can use whatever you need to mix. If I was taking this, I would probably be using my hands. So keep mixing. So this is the finished product. See how it has the yellow kind of hue? That means it's spiced all the way through. And then you can bottle it in tiny little bottles. What I do is I save all the bottles, if you can see. It's from Costco. So just save whatever you can, because you don't know when you're going to need it.